Hi students, today we are discussing the most important topic, probability. Okay. Definition: experiment. An experiment is an action or operation which produces some result of outcome. Examples: tossing a coin, rolling a dice, drawing a card from a deck. These are the examples: dice, cards and coin. Random experiment. An experiment is called a random experiment. It has more than one possible outcomes. Suppose you are tossing a coin, the outcomes are head or tail. Suppose you are rolling a dice, the outcomes are, these are the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Event. What is event? An event is a set of outcomes of a random experiment. Simple event, a single outcome. Suppose you are tossing a coin, getting only a head, this is called a single event. Rolling a dice, getting only a 4, this is a single event. Compound event, more than one outcomes. Examples, these are the examples. Suppose getting an even number. What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6. Rolling a dice, you are getting even numbers 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. These are the examples. Suppose you are tossing one coin, all possible outcomes, true, tail and head. Tossing two coins, all possible outcomes, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. You can observe here. Formula 2 power n, that is equal to 2 square, therefore 4. Throwing a dice, all possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. You can observe 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, like that. That is equal to total outcomes 6 square, that is equal to 6, that's 6. Example: 3 unbased coins are tossed together. Find the probability of getting all heads. First of all, you can observe 3 coins are tossed together: head head head, head head tail, head tail head, tail head head, head tail tail, tail head tail, tail tail head, tail tail tail. Therefore, here required probability. What is the required probability? In this question, they are asking all heads. This is the answer. Therefore, 1 by 8. There is only one chance. 1. Total outcomes. Favorable formula. What is formula? Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. This is the formula. Total outcomes. Therefore, favorable outcomes 1, total outcomes 8. This is the answer. At least 2 heads. Count here. At least 2 heads. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, 4 by 8. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. At least 2 heads means 3 heads also available. Okay. 3 heads also countable. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8. Next. An unbased die is thrown. What is the probability of getting a multiple of 3? Multiple of 3. Here you can observe here 3 and 6. These are the multiples of 3. Therefore, only 2 chances. Therefore, 2 by 6. Therefore, 1 by 3 is the answer. Getting a number 3 or 4. Therefore, A is getting a 3 or 4. 3 and 4. Therefore, answer is 2 by 6. Next, two dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting. First question, the sum of a prime number. Second question, same number on both dice. You can observe these question 1, 2, 3, 4 times came in the CBSE examination. First question, total number of elementary events. You are throwing 2 dice. Therefore, 6 into 6, that's 6. The sum of a prime number. Find the probability of getting the sum of a prime number. First of all, the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. First die 1, second die 1. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 1. Why? Because 3, total 3, 3. Getting sum of a prime number. You can add these 2. You can add these 2. 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, sorry 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 11, 11. These are the possibilities. These are the possibilities. These are the prime number. When getting a sum of the prime numbers, these are the possibilities. Then count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 by 2 dice, 6 into 6, 15 by 36 is the answer. Okay. You can add these two, then you can get the prime number. 1, 2, add these two numbers, 1 plus 2, 3, this is the prime number. 2 plus 1, 3, this is the prime number. 4 plus 1, 5, this is the prime number. Okay, this is the answer. Next question. This question is most important, 4 times repeated. Therefore, getting a same number on the both dice, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, 6 by count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by total possibilities. 6 into 6, 36. 1 by 6 is the answer. Cards. Total we have 52 cards. 26 are black, 26 are red. In black, 13 clubs, 13 spades. In red, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. These are the pictured cards, or we can call as the face cards. These are the face cards. Kings, Jack, Queen. Okay. Event, random experiment, rolling a die. Suppose event getting a prime number. Event, it is a odd number. E, it is also event. Okay. Formula, P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Complement of E, not E, we can denote as the P of E bar. P of E bar. Therefore, formula P of E plus P of E bar equal to 1. P of E equal to 0, it is called the impossible event. P of E equal to 1, it is called the sure event or certain event. Example, one card is drawn from a well shuffled cards of deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be. Total we have 52 cards, be an ace. 52 cards. How many aces we have? 4 aces. Therefore, answer favorable cases by total outcomes. 4 by 52 is the answer. 4 by 52 is the answer. 1 by 13. Not an ace. We can write as P of E bar. Therefore, we can use this formula. P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Therefore, P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. That is equal to 1 minus 1 by 13. Therefore, answer is 12 by 13 is the answer. Next question. A card is drawn from a well shuffled 52 cards. Find the probability of that the card is a king. How many kings we have? 2 red kings, 2 black kings. Therefore, 4 kings. Therefore, 4 by 52 is the answer. 4 by 52 is the answer. Next question. A red card. How many red cards we have? 26 red cards. You can observe here. 26 red cards we have. Therefore, 26 by 52. Formula favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, red card. This is the answer, 26 by 52. Third question, face card. How many face cards we have? How many face cards we have? 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks. Total 12 cards. Therefore, formula P of E is equal to 12 by 52. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Total outcomes. Therefore, 12 by 12. 12 by 52. Therefore, 3 by 13. 4 3 ja, 4 13 ja. Next question. Find the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. Here you can count leap year. In leap year we have 366 days. 366 days. 52 weeks plus 2 days. 2 days. The 2 days will be Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Here they are asking how many 53 Sundays. 53 Sundays. Here you can count one Sunday here, one Sunday here. Therefore, answer 2 by favorable outcomes 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the answer. In leap year, suppose you want 53 Mondays, the answer is 2 by 7. 53 Wednesdays, answer is 2 by 7. Any question, they want 53, then answer is 2 by 7. Suppose in non-leap year, non-leap year 365 days, 52 weeks plus 1 day. The 1 day must be Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Suppose in this question, find the probability that in a non-leap year selected randoms will contain 53 Sundays. The answer is 1 by 7. Okay, this is the answer. Next question. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word assassination. Find the probability that the letter chosen is vowel and consonant. First of all, count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Total letters 13. First question, vowels. How many vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 6 vowels. Therefore, what is the answer? Probability of selecting vowel. What is the formula? P of E is equal to favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Therefore, 6 by 13 is the answer. Next question, consonants. Consonants. We have two methods. The first method, probability of selecting consonant is equal to 1 minus probability of selecting vowels. Therefore, 1 minus 6 by 13. Here I am using this formula. P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. Therefore, answer is 7 by 13. Okay. Method 2. How many consonants we have? This is these 2 to 4 N T N. Therefore, 7 consonants here. Therefore, probability of selecting consonant is 7 by 13. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.